English Anyone, Lesson 8, Demonstratives. Hello, listen and watch. Shh, it is here. It is here. Ah, ah. Ooh. It is there. It is there. Here is a monkey. There is a monkey. Here are two monkeys. There are two monkeys. This is a monkey. That is a monkey. These are monkeys. Those are monkeys. What is this? It is long. It is silver. It is a whisk. It's a whisk. What is that? It is green. It is tall. It is a tree. It's a tree. What are these? They are white. They are fast. They are cars. They're cars. What are those? They are brown. They are long. They are spoons. They're spoons. Goodbye. Here, there, this, that, these, those. What is this? What's this? What is that? What's that? What are these? What are these? What are those? What are those? For more free tips, lessons, and videos, and to discover the 7 secrets to becoming a confident, fluent English speaker easily and automatically, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.